my name is Maria from Brianna's Braids, and I have Brianna with me today, and we want to show you how to do accent braids with a high bun. So let me slowly turn you around. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's get started. I have hair in a high ponytail with the section of the hair out on the side. Now wetted, and I put a few drops of argan oil on the hair to manage flyaways. Brush it out, and with my comb I will part the hair so that the middle part line resembles a triangle. So follow me like I'm doing right here, and we will start working on our middle section.
I want you to take me back. You want me to take you back. I want you to take me back. So tell me, is you gon' ride out when the chips fall? I seen too many people leave when they get hot. I'm tired of going back and forth.
Pick up a small section of the hair and split it to 3 equal strands. Now put your left strand over the middle and right strand over the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle. Left strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle. I'm picking up very small sections of the hair so the braid looks extra neat. Continue picking up the hair until you've reached your bottom part line, and continue with the braid so it's long enough to reach your ponytail.
For you just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you through the good and the bad times, made it pivotal. All them feelings that you hold inside, it will hinder you, so let it go. What you didn't do and what they did for you. You just praying for a miracle, cause they been with you.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something for you lately, and I am trying so hard.
Once your braid is long enough to reach the ponytail, secure it together with an elastic.
Going crazy.
Now brush out the top section, and we will start with the Dutch lace braid. Pick up a small section of the hair by the crown, split it to 3 equal strands, and it will be very small strands. Now cross your right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand and cross it under the middle. Left strand under the middle. Right strand, add extra hair, cross it under the middle. Left strand under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, cross it under the middle. Left strand under the middle, and continue picking up the hair until you reach the front, and notice that my braid is lying on the part line.
Which girl you choose? And no, the thought of her being a private dancer, it's just a little too much for me to chew. But I'm like, I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing all.
And once I reach the forehead, I continue following the part line, so now the braid will go down and following framing the French braid that we've just made. So continue adding hair to your right strand, and the left strand goes under the middle. Right strand, pick up extra hair, add it to that strand, and the left strand goes under the middle, and the braid still lies on a part line framing the French braid. Continue until you've picked up all the hair, and once you're done, make the braid long enough and to reach the middle ponytail, and secure it together with an elastic.
Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, matters.
Now I'm making a simple French braid with a ponytail, so braid all the way down and secure in the end with an elastic.
But I'm scattered, we're just friends.
Hello, how'd you do?
Now wrap the braid around the base to form a bun. I will hide the ends under the braid and secure it with bobby pins.
Said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by.
Now I'm going back and gently tugging at the edges of the braid to give bun more volume. And once you're satisfied with the look, you're all finished.
How could they say you made me?
Alright, let's do a final spin.
Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say?
I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials is being released. And as usual, all the products that we used in this video I will link down in the description box below. And we will see you next time for another tutorial. Bye!